Welcome to another episode of TC's Anything Goes. Today, we're not gonna unbox anything. Alright, there's a lot of videos on unboxing of the GoPro Hero 8 Black. So I'm gonna talk about what you should get along with your GoPro. If you are first time, this is gonna be helpful. If you have an existing GoPro before this, some of the items you may already have, but I'm also gonna touch on things that you may need to buy with the GoPro Hero 8. Alright, first off, let's get this out of the way. Hero 8 Black just arrived. Comes with a USB Type-C cable, a mount, a battery, and the GoPro. That's it. That's all they are giving. Okay, so let's go to what you should get first. Or if you already have a GoPro before this, you probably have memory cards. Alright, so these are all 64 gigs memory card, A2. Alright, I have 3 of these, so basically the set comes with hang on. I'm sorry. It seems that I've forgotten. So the set does come with this Go case. Nothing much there. And it comes with this original GoPro 3-way grip arm tripod. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So let's get this out of the way. Now, if this is the first time you're buying a GoPro, you probably need one of these. These are the generic mounts that you can find online for quite a good price, and there's multiple mounts in it. First off would be this. This would be very important if you're going to any water sports, so that it floats. Your GoPro will float if you're mounted to this. If you don't, you lose grip of your GoPro, sayonara, it's going to Davy Jones. Next up, you have the normal suction mount. Then you have a tripod extender. Let's see how far this goes. Yeah, pretty far. Then you have some, I have no idea what these are. Then you have another arm for your mount. Alright, so some of these mounts you have to be creative and think of what of how you can actually use them. You have a tripod, something like a Gorilla Pod, but a cheaper version of a Gorilla Pod. You have a body mount. You have a lanyard here. More stick-on mounts. A crocodile clip mount. These are hard, alright? More different type of buckle mounts. This is interesting. If you are a cyclist, this is gonna be good. Alright, what it does is it actually grips to your handlebars or any of your metal bars. Alright. More buckle mounts. Alright, so this is a strap mount. You can basically strap it to anywhere that you feel like strapping it to, then use the buckle mount and mount it here. These are the odd shape mounts, also buckle mounts. The double-sided string thingy. Okay, so this is also very interesting. So this is not a lanyard, but it's a tool for you to actually tighten the screws. So you put it here and then you can tighten it. Alright, so that it's much tighter than using your fingers. This is a head mount. Alright, you can either use it on your head or on your helmet. Suggested just on your head. And it has the anti-slip as well. Another strap. And this is the back strap. Alright, so when you have a backpack, you have the shoulder strap here. You put it here and you mount your camera here. Alright, so again, this is not necessary. If you already have a GoPro, you most likely already have this, but if you're new to GoPro, then you probably need to buy this. Now, next thing, very important, battery life. As you guys probably have known, GoPro's battery is never meant to be awesome. Probably 45 minutes to an hour and you're out. Alright, which is why I bought this Talisin charger. This set comes with 3 batteries. As well as is a card reader. Alright, so these batteries are actually meant for Hero 7, 6 and 5, but I've used it on the 8, it works. It's just that it prompts out saying that it may not be at peak performance, but at the moment I still have not explored exactly what is not usable compared to the Hero 8 battery, which is blue on the bottom. These are all black in the bottom. Okay, so interesting thing about this, it uses Type-C to charge as well as data. I'm not sure if you can see it. Alright, there's the card reader here and there's 2 card holder here. So in general, this thing, just hang it on your back. You have 3 extra batteries and 3 memory cards to store. Okay, Talisin. Or inbox. This is interesting. Next up. Alright, even if you have the Hero 7, 5, 6, once you get the Hero 8, you will need to buy this. This is actually the waterproof casing for you to go underwater. This is rated up to 60 meters. So the camera itself, the GoPro itself, is rated for 10 meters. So if say you're on a swimming pool or anything, that's more than enough. But if you're going into the oceans or if you're going to be scuba diving, get this. This is rated for 60 meters. Next up, we have the GoPro case. Alright, let's talk about this. So this is the GoPro 8. Everybody's raving about how good these legs are, but you know what? The replacement is quite pricey if you break it. So I rather trust it on an external mount here, which is more solid as well. Moreover, it gives additional protection for your GoPro, so that in the event you fall, you drop it on the sides, it does not break. Yeah, this magnetic. So what this does is that it actually gives you 2 shoe mounts as well, so you can actually put your light as well as your microphone if you have it. Alright, and it's designed in such a way that you can actually access into your battery and your memory card without actually needing to take it out. Alright, where was I? Okay. So yeah, so additional two shoe mounts. Alright. Then next thing that you will need would be screen protectors. So this set comes with 1, 2, and 3 screen protectors. 2 of them tempered, and this one is plastic. The front camera, the front lens, the back screen are tempered glass, and this is the plastic screen protector. Alright, this is very important considering that the Hero 8 Black is unlike the previous GoPros, whereby you can actually change the lens if you scratch it. So this is very important. Alright, so yeah, not your typical unboxing video of GoPros or anything as a matter of fact. So right, if you like this, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. As well as if you dislike this, just give it a thumbs down and at least tell us in the comments what or how we can actually improve further. Alright, till next time.